People object perhaps without having the wider implications in sight.
Taoiseach Micheál Martin, good morning. The word is behind the scenes, you are increasingly frustrated, and you are expressing this frustration at a can't-do attitude in the public service in relation to infrastructure projects, that you're deeply frustrated. Where does that frustration lie, and what do you want to see happen in the public sector in terms of delivering this?
Well, energy and urgency. I think a lot of people are doing a lot of good work within the public service. I think the creation of the infrastructure division within the Department of Public Expenditure is a significant development, but there's still a significant distance to go. And I do take the point that, on the bigger projects like the Greater Dublin Drainage Project, for example, planning has been the key blocker issue. I would appeal to the public more generally, though, to reflect before we go down the road of judicial reviews on so many projects. I mean, the numbers have exponentially grown. It's the public lose out. It's the common good loses out
Taoiseach,
overall.
Appealing to the public.
Well, it matters.
That's not a policy. I mean, we know there are people who they will object to everything, whether it's housing, whether it's water, whether it's overhead electricity, power lines. That is going to happen.
Yeah, but that needs to be challenged in the public domain. I would argue that government needs to be far stronger in terms of communicating this issue. People object perhaps without having the wider implications in sight. We have to make sure that we have a sufficiency of housing, a sufficiency of water, and a sufficiency of energy.